Hey y'all, what is up, what is up, what is good? It is your girl Chènae. Did y'all miss me or did y'all miss me? I am back today with this beautiful, gorgeous, bright summertime eyeshadow look. So you guys know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. So starting off as always, taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Neutral. I'm just placing that all over my lid. And you guys know I love this stuff. It's going to act as my eyeshadow base to help my shadows last all day, stick to my eyes, and appear bright and bold. It's my Violet Voss Rainbow Palette. I'm taking the color Royal, which is a gorgeous blue color, deep blue color. I'm going to place that into my crease and blend that out, and it's going to act as my transitional color. Now I'm going to go back into that same palette and grab that color Fiji, which is a gorgeous aqua blue color. I'm going to also place that into my crease just to lighten up that shade just a tad bit. Now taking my box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go in with the color Blue on a pencil brush and just go ahead and define an area just a little bit more to add just a little bit more definition to this look. And I'm kind of cutting out a crease just to, like I said, add a little more definition, I guess. Taking my NYX white eyeshadow base, I'm going to go ahead and just apply that right up under the blue, making sure not to go over that blue eyeshadow. And I'm just prepping my eyes, getting ready for my next color. That way that color can just pop and be all bold and bright. Now going back into my box of crayons, I'm taking the color green. I'm going to apply that on the outer portion of that white eyeshadow base, just to add, you know, some green to this look, because green and blue goes gorgeous together. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous, bright, beautiful yellow from the same palette and just begin to pack that on in the center of my eye. And you guys, I love this yellow. It is so bright and pigmented and does not oxidize, and just a gorgeous yellow. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to smoke out my waterline, just taking a tad bit of that black from the same eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to go ahead and just smoke out my waterline just to add some more definition and make this look, you know, very bold and dark and make my eyes pop. Now I'm going back with the green. I'm just going to apply that green over that black just to lighten it up a little bit so it doesn't look all grungy and vampy or whatever. So you guys know that I love to do the winged eyeliner. So here I'm taking my NYX matte eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in the color black, and I'm creating the tail for my wing liner. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish doing my wing here, because you guys know I have to have a wing eyeliner with almost every look. Now taking my favorite eyelash, I'm taking the KoKo Eyelashes in the brand with the name NYC, and I'm just applying my falsies, because what is an eyeshadow look without falsies? You guys already know. I'm going to go ahead and coat it with some mascara. That way my falsies and my natural lashes will blend together. Now moving on to my lips, I'm taking the color Strip Down, which is a nude lip pencil from MAC. And it's very, very nude, very light. You can barely see it on my lips, but I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that lip color all over to my lips. And as you can see, I'm just lining my lips right here. And I like to be precise, that way I can get a sharp, defined lip look. So you definitely want to make sure that you're taking your time with this and not rush. So it's just like coloring inside the lines almost. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on and take the color Lady Be Good, which is a gorgeous nude liquid lipstick from MAC. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips, making sure to go over that lip liner for a gorgeous nude lippy. And this is also one of my favorite lip colors by MAC. I just love nude lips and bright, beautiful eyes. So this is the end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, y'all. Y'all be easy.